talk to me, talk to me. Talk to me, talk to me.
Hi guys, welcome to our empty apartment tour, and in this video I'll be taking you through this apartment. It's a 2-bedroom apartment that we got recently, and I'm so happy about this apartment because it's giving we are moving out of our parents' house. It's giving the big 20s. When they say, oh, move out of a parents' house, try new things, explore, I am in that era. So in here right now we are in the sitting room, and the sitting room is actually so spacious. If you can see, this is 2 windows and the ventilations here, it's very good. The air are coming in, and over here is we have this dining area. But you guys already know, since we do everything bookish on this channel, this would be the place for like the book space. So we have like maybe 2 shelves on here, and then of course there will be plants. Since everywhere is like minimalist, we want it to feel like a home, so there will also be like plants. Now if you do have plant recommendations that are perfect for indoor, please do let me know in the comment section. And moving on, this is like the hallway, and yeah, here's the hallway. Here is like the visitors slash the second bathroom, and over here is the first room. It has 2 windows. Again, there's like enough ventilation and the lights, and I think it's pretty much very cool and decent and nice. Over here, there's going to be like a construction of wardrobe that's going to happen here. I personally feel this is where Pinterest will come to very good use, so be on the lookout. Then next here we have, and I think here on the veranda there's going to be like plants and some things going on here, so just watch out. You are going to see that whenever you see that. Then in here is the second room, which is pretty much cool and cozy. It's giving cozy vibe, and personally I do love a cozy room. There is the wardrobe, which is going to, for this room, I genuinely do not know where to place things. Although my tables are not here, I've decided that my shelf will be in this living room to create more space, because there's a lot of books. So that will be in the living room. In here will just be my table, my bed, and there's a wardrobe and some little things, decoration, wall decoration also. And I might maybe have a plant. Let's see how it goes. Because why I really don't do plants that much is that some days I cannot water my life, and I think about it and I'm like, is there a point or is there a need for me to get a plant if I can't take care of them? So, but this time around, since we're entering new era, it's giving new me. I'm going to try to change and be a plant dad this time around. Now, lastly, here we have the kitchen. You people, I have like a love-hate relationship with cooking in general, but I think with this space, it's going to make me want to cook. Yes, I think so. With this space, I want to cook. It's like spacious enough for like 2 people, 3 people. Is spacious for you to do whatever you want to do, and I think I like it. You know, there's the cabinet here. On here, the gas cooker is going to be here. Then there'll be like the fridge and some other cooking essentials that we're going to be needing. So I actually do like it. I really do. And over here is like the balcony. And guys, I think that's pretty much it. Do let me know if there's anything you want to know about the apartment. As for tips, guys, house hunting this period, it's not for the weak. It's not for the weak at all. And anybody that's house hunting, I'm really wishing you the best. And I hope that you get what you want, because the prices are crazy. The agent fee too are not funny. But yeah, I'm just happy about this new era, and I can't wait to see what it brings. So to this.